Hey everyone, I am back with this. I really don't even know what to call it. It's like a metallic-y, sparkly, extra look. So I'm going to jump right into it as I always do. I'm going in with the Huda Beauty palette. And as you can see, I set my eyes with this color right here. And now I'm going in with my second transition shade. Well, first transition shade. I don't know how I feel about this palette. I do know that it is extremely expensive for just like 9 shadows, but I've only used it once and that was this time in this video. So I don't know how I feel about it yet. Anyway, I'm going in with this second color. I'm going for like a cranberry-ish, pinkish, sparkly look. So I'm going in with that color right there. As you can see, that is my second transition color. And I'm just feeling like whatever here. So now I'm going in with the Jaclyn Hill palette because the Huda palette didn't have that rich color that I was going for. I know you guys are probably getting so sick of seeing me with this palette, but it is so black girl friendly. Like the colors are fire. Like they're so pigmented. They're just so beautiful. So that's what I'm going in with. And I'm kind of putting that in my outer V, and I'm also going to like wing it out a little bit because I want this look to be like extra dramatic. It's going to be a lot of sparkle on my lid, so I really wanted to kind of like blow everything out. But I'm also bringing it into my crease and then to my inner corner of my eye. And I'm taking that with a fluffy brush. And because I felt like there was so much empty space that I could use, I started to take that color up. Some in between like my brow bone and my lid, there was so much space that I could have used. I could have taken it up even further than that. But I wanted to make sure there was kind of like a transition between all of the colors. But I did kind of blend that in with my first 2 transition shades. Now I'm going in with the black. So I didn't want that black shadow, especially with the Jaclyn Hill palette. It's so pigmented. I didn't want it to be as prominent as it was. So I am going to go in and I just applied a very little bit and you can see how pigmented it was. So I'm going to go in and just blend it all out. I'm going to diffuse it as much as I can. So it's kind of going to end up like a purpley cranberry, that's the vibe I was going for. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. So I ended up not using any of those Stila shadows that I'm showing you, but I wanted to show because at Sephora they have like the mini. I forgot what they're called, but they have the mini ones at Sephora, and instead of paying $25 for just one, you get those 6 for like $40. So I thought that was a steal. So as you can see, my cat wanted to make a cameo and messed up my shadow. So now I'm forced to do a cut crease, which is my favorite, but I wasn't doing that for this look. But now, as you can see, now that glitter is like all over my lid, now I have to do a cut crease. And I'm kind of doing it like free-handed, whatever you want to call it. I should have done it with a brush though, because that glitter can get like really messy. And I wish on camera it showed like how poppin' this shadow is. I don't know if it's like, I think it's like a metallic foil shadow glitter thing. I forgot what the name of it is, but as always, all of the products will be in the description bar, but when I tell you the camera did not do this look justice, that glitter is so popping. Like, oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. So now I'm pretty much just blending the glitter in to the other eyeshadow colors. And I'm just popping a very thin line of liner on there because once I put those lashes on, I just didn't want it to be like a line of demarcation where you can see. I just wanted to put like a little thin line of liner on there. And then pop on these beautiful lashes. Like I said, all of the products that I'm using, including the lashes, will be in the description bar. And as you see, I was having a little bit of struggle with these lashes. I have struggled with the lashes all the time. So if you don't really know how to do lashes, don't be discouraged. You know, just keep on trying. Practice makes perfect. Even I have struggled with them sometimes, especially in that inner corner. It's just like, come on, really? So now I'm going in because I could not find my Smashbox primer water, which is like my favorite. I went in with the Morphe Prep and Prime set. So you can prep it and then you can also set with that spray. So I just used that as like my first primer. And then I went in with this Urban Decay, which is new for me. And I just got the trial size to see if I like it. So if you shop at Sephora and you don't want to shop there because those prices are pretty high, you can always go and get like the trial size because they're so much cheaper. So that's just a little tip for if you want to try Sephora out. And then I'm going in with this Clinique foundation. I love this foundation. It's so good. It's so such full coverage foundation. And then this is my first time trying the Nars, what is it called? Like the Radiant Concealer. And there she goes again. She just loves the camera. But I really like this concealer. I've heard so many good things about it and I just never tried it. And then I was just like, you know, I want to try something new. But I love it. I love the concealer. Now I'm going in with my all-time favorite contour cream. It's not actual contour cream, it's foundation, but it's AJ Crimson. That foundation is so beautiful. Like, it's so creamy, it's so beautiful. Now I'm going in and setting my face with the Sephora, what's it called? Foundation powder or something like that. It's really, really good. I've heard such good things about it, and when I bought it, I just fell in love with it. Right there you saw me using Morphe foundation, and then I sped this up a little too fast because anyway, now I am just finishing off my eyes and popping on some mascara, and everything else I had to do off camera because my battery died. But that is it. It was just supposed to be like a quick little video to show me kind of like getting ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys on the next one. For 2018, I'm going to be more consistent with my videos. I promise. So I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.
I get it how I live it. I live it how I get it.